So this is room 149. So this is the main entrance door. So this is the closet. Ooh, this is double door closet, so really big closet, huh? We got safe. Okay, blow dry. Some roofs, stuff like that. We're not gonna use that. We're not gonna use that. We got one sink, giant mirrors. Hello. There we go. This is for, I guess, makeup or something. The lady. A lot of stuff, soap, lotion. Ah, so nice, huh? Oh, I like the fan. Look at that. It's made by napkin. So right here we have another mirror, very big mirror. Another sink. This is smaller side, and to your left this is the toilet. Yeah, you got some. They provide you some towel. In here, this is I think it's a rainbow shower. Very nice size, very big. Ooh la la. Oh, I'm sweating because like been walking around for the whole day, so definitely gonna take a shower really soon. And this is onto the bathroom. Oh wow, this is the bed. Sorry, the bed, not the bed. And is our honeymoon today. Look at that. They decorate for us happy honeymoon. Whoa, look at that. I really like the hearts. Oh, and then look at that. Oh, focus. So cute. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a king size bed. So big, man. Oh my god. And here, this is I guess a desk, so I can put some laptops, work on my stuff there. And then this is what we really like, a giant bathtub, like a giant jacuzzi that like for 2 people. Oh my gosh. This is big. Oh my gosh. Another mirror. Mirrors everywhere. And it takes about 35 to 40 minutes to fill up the giant bathtub for the jacuzzi. Oh my god, I can't wait to jump in. Oh, also there is a big TV as well. I think, I don't know, whatever, like 50 inch, 55 inches. Not really much about that. It's a giant. It's not the mirrors. They put mirrors everywhere, man. Oh, I really like this. That. Oh my gosh. Really like the room. Such a nice one. And the room we get is the ocean view. So this is the main pool right there. And then if you want to see the ocean is that way. That's the ocean. This is the main pool. Ocean. This is the background. Beautiful. It says this happy honeymoon. It's the cakes right there. Really nice decoration. Oh my god, I like this. I love it. And also a bottle of champagne. No? Oh, and we have a friends in here. We have a butterfly in this room. Hello. You wanna join with us in my honeymoon, huh? Alright, so let's see. We have a fridge, a mini fridge here, filled with, I guess, beer, soda, soft drink, some juice, water, and what is that? Oh, this is the water. Is my minibar supplier. Really is nice, man. Very, very nice. I like it. So, and then, yep. What is this? Oh, coffee. Yeah, there's a coffee. And I don't know what is that, but trying to open and see one. I'm not really sure. Oh, and this is like an empty drawer. Wondering if we can. What's in here? Oh, we got some snack here. Oh, it's nice. Alright guys, so that's just a quick tour of my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we're gonna enjoy our honeymoon as well. Goodbye.